Good evening, YouTube. Jeff with Tundra Chronicles. This evening I'm going to do a follow-up video for the Blade Putco light bar that I installed on the back of the truck. What I'm going to show you is just how bright it is at night. I've been asked to just do a follow-up video, so I'm going to do that. You just saw the running lights on, so I'm going to turn them on here real quick so you can see how they flash and how bright they are. I'm going to go to the truck on, I'm going to do brake lights, turn signals, stuff like that, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and then we should be good to go. So hold on just a second. Okay, so there you have the running lights. So these are on all the time at night, what have you. So there's the running light. So now I'll just do the brake lights and the turn signals and show you what they look like. It's really bright, really bright. So hold on. Okay, here's the brake lights. Some hazard lights. Okay, there you have it. So that's just a quick demonstration of the Putco Blade 60-inch LED light bar that I installed, and that's what it looks like at night. So it gives a really nice bright light coming across the back of the truck. And the thing I like about this one also, that after I installed it and I would look around at other people who might have one, I really like how close the LEDs are in this light bar. I've seen other ones where they're really spread apart and I just think they look kind of weird. This gives a nice even light all the way across, and you don't really see the small LEDs, so it has a nice consistent tight LED configuration that goes all the way across the back of the truck, so it looks really good. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.